barn doors from flying off. I want to get my tractor out of there, but I'll wait. This is crazy. This is pretty awesome. No. This is dangerous. This is all metal frame. No. Come on, step away. I know. Grab some baler twine over to the car.
It's okay, Eleanor will be fine.
I'm more worried about you kids and my beautiful wife.
Water! That's a real water.
We might lose some plants.
Yep, our garden might be hurt.
It's just
Oh, look at that. That was the other crack you heard. That willow tree.
going down.
Oh, look at that. David, see the tree right there and the branch is straight down. Oh, that's crazy. Let me clean these windows. Can't see.
Lightning.
Holy crap.
Oh, that poor garden.
Oh no, watch our trampoline, we're gonna go flying.
Let's go fly.
I think that might have been rotten. Nothing they can't wait to pull that tractor out for a couple of days. Well, until tomorrow night. Supposed to be just one quick moving storm through here tonight. Not a lot of rain, just mainly wind and wind damage. I like the shade, but those willow trees are getting pretty rough.